what I'm going to do today with my new AGV K6 helmet is I want to get this set up with the camera, speakers, the whole Motovlog system that I use. I've done it once before on my XT4, so I've got a rough idea, but obviously different kind of padding, different shell, so it's going to be a challenge for sure, but let's see how this goes. So here's all of the bits that I'm going to be using today. What I've got is, this is the Giant Squid microphone system. What I've also got is, on my current helmet, I've got the Sena S10, but what I've purchased is this actual mount that goes onto the helmet. So it comes the mount, the speakers, in the headset and the microphone as well. And lastly, just one of these very cheap chin mounts. So I've already got it on my XT4. So stage one, let's see how we get these pads out. Okay, so it says pull. Okay. Alright, so it just clips out, easy. It's got a nice little tuck-in system, so yeah, that'll keep water out, that's really good. Alright, oh, that's great. So as we can see, it's got holes in there for the speakers for my Sena. First up, the Sena. Alright, we've got a microphone mount. Okay, so just the mount, and then hopefully my Sena will fit into that. But more importantly, we have got the speakers. Let's get these little screws out. About one speaker, another speaker, and then I'm assuming the red one will be for the microphone. Right, so I've got my little sticky adhesive there, so that should just stick on. So that's fitted, so let's stick the other one in. Now you just need to line it up, because this helmet comes with a little groove as well, so really good, and I'll be able to get these cables into the lining just up here, so it should all fit seamlessly. I think if I pull this off, I can tuck the wires down behind there for now, for the speakers at least. Right, so I think obviously if I position it around here, that's perfect for the mouth. So I'll need to attach, that will be perfect. Okay, so I'll try attaching it here, and let's see how that goes. So let's just test it out and see if we can get the inner liner in with all of this stuff. So problem number one, this little groove here needs to fit in where that Sena is, so this Sena needs to be moved back to about here. Okay, otherwise this isn't going to fit into that hole, so that is stupid mistake number one. And then that should allow for this to still snap into place. The liner actually has to slot into this little groove here, so it looks like on this liner I'm actually going to have to chop off a little bit of this plastic to accommodate the Sena Intercom system. I'm going to bite the bullet, grab some scissors, and yep, destroy my brand new helmet. So that'll work now. Okay, next step. I need to get this one on, so I need to get my GoPro chin mount attached. So as you can see, there's some kind of, I don't want to put these straps over the top of this bit of plastic, so let's see if we can just pull that up. Oh, yep, so that's easy to do. Right, and there we go. So GoPro's on the front. It's fairly stable, but you know, I can tighten that up later. I just wanted to check it out and see how it looks, but yeah, it's working alright. Still clips into place, which is awesome. Okay, so I can still access the button, open and close the helmet, so that's really good. I'm happy about that. Alright, so next stage, I need to get this Giant Squid microphone. This is a cable that's going to connect onto my GoPro microphone adapter at the front, so I need to have access for the cable somewhere around here, and then I need to wire this all into the helmet, so then my microphone will match up with the microphone for the Sena. So if you imagine, this is the dead cat that comes with the Giant Squid, but you know, it doesn't offer a lot of wind protection, so let's get this bigger one put on. So there we go, the Giant Squid microphone, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach that to start off with onto this microphone. So then I've got a double. I've got my Sena Intercom, I've got my Giant Squid taped together, as you can see here, and I've wrapped all the cables around the actual cord provided by the Sena, so all of them are a little bit more tucked away. I've got all of these wires, and I've got these wires now that I'm just going to tuck in around here that'll go underneath the padding of the helmet as soon as I place that in. So technically it's now just a case of putting it all back together and making sure that none of these are dangling out. Right, well, it seems to be on. Try it on and see how it's all fitting. Right, so I have now got my Sena attached. I've got my GoPro audio all attached as well. Microphones are all linked up, so just playing the Sena, it's hooked up via Bluetooth to my mobile phone now. No, what's this clown doing on his phone? What an absolute jackass. Get off your phone, idiot. Hey ho, amazing Thailand. So anyway, the Sena's hooked up to my Bluetooth on my phone. Listening to some music now, and the sound quality, perfect. Right behind the pads in a really good position. I don't feel any wires, I don't feel the speakers. It's all fitting there really well. As for the GoPro, the chin mount, I feel I'm going to have a little bit of a fiddle with, because I think the GoPro is aiming a little bit too much down that direction. I'd rather it was looking up a little bit, more like that. So yeah, I'm just going to have a play around with the position of that. As you can hear, the microphone's all hooked up. That's the Giant Squid microphone, and really pleased with the sound quality you get from this microphone. Even if not many people listen to my videos, saying that, I'm sure a lot of people would prefer if they couldn't hear what I'm saying. But I think what I'm going to do now, I'll take the bike for a little bit of a spin around the islands. It's a beautiful day here on Koh Tao. Sun's out, no clouds in the sky, absolutely roasting. Yeah, not a bad place to be stuck, to be honest with you.